Nelson Rigg continues to expand their Rigg Gear brand of 100% waterproof luggage with their new Hurricane waterproof tank bags. They offer functionality, durability, and mounting at an affordable price. Made from a waterproof, UV-coated tarpaulin PVC featuring electronically heat-welded seams, these bags keep your contents dry and free from dust no matter what weather or terrain you encounter. Like all our luggage, these bags include a lifetime warranty. Offered in two sizes, the smaller SE-3060 tank bag is perfect for enduro and dual sport bikes offering 2.6 liters of storage, which is big enough for most compact cameras, phones, battery packs, or even small tools. The larger SE-3070 at 11 liters is great for adventure bikes and can easily hold a day's worth of riding needs, such as gloves, goggles, GPS, camera, small tablets, and more. To help secure your gear when hitting the trails, both bags allow you to strap down your contents. The dual sport bag has an elastic strap on the base, while the adventure bag, you can choose from either removable inner self-fastening straps or an adjustable divider to separate your items. Both bags feature a water-resistant main zipper that is covered by a waterproof neoprene flap, ensuring your items stay dry even in the heaviest of downpours. Under the lid is a mesh pocket for storing maps, cards, and documents, which also allows you to access the waterproof clear map pocket that is touchscreen friendly. Quick release buckles make for easy mounting and refueling. To mount the front of the bag, use the strap with two male buckles and connect one side to a female buckle on the front of the tank bag. Remove the other buckle from the elastic strap holder and loop it around the frame or steering head, making sure the strap is free of steering stops, cables, or hoses. Reinstall it through the strap holder and connect to the other buckle on the bag, but do not tighten the straps yet. To secure the rear of the bag, remove one of the straps with the male buckle on one side and loop on the opposite end from the elastic strap holder. Pass the loop around the frame or similar solid bike part, then pass the male buckle through the loop, cinching it to the vehicle. Reinstall through the strap holder and connect to the bag. Again, do not tighten the strap yet. Repeat this on the other side. With all buckles connected and the tank bag in a comfortable and safe position, start to tighten all straps, ensuring that the bag is resting on a flat surface and has little or no movement. Any extra strap can be folded and tucked inside the provided elastic webbing loop. Before operating your motorcycle, double-check that the bag and all straps are free from any moving parts or surfaces that may get hot during operation. It is always good practice to recheck all mounting points, stability, and condition of the bag and the mounting system before and during stops on each ride. Now that you have rigged your ride, you are ready for all types of adventure. Please visit nelsonrigg.com for more information.